Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a trademark in the USA. We'll start by defining what a trademark is and why it's crucial for protecting your brand. Then, we'll cover the essential initial steps you should take before even considering filing your application. We'll also briefly touch upon the various types of marks you can register with the United States Patent and Trademark Office. This segment focuses on the core application process. First, we'll emphasize the critical importance of conducting a comprehensive trademark search to avoid potential conflicts. Next, we'll guide you through preparing your application, ensuring all necessary details are accurate and complete. Finally, we'll explain the steps for officially submitting your application to the United States Patent and Trademark Office. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation: staying focused is key, and for that, you need to stay hydrated. I love my Oala water bottle for keeping my water cold all day. Check the description for a link to grab one and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your application is filed, the journey continues. We'll discuss how to effectively respond to any office actions issued by the USPTO. It's also vital to understand the importance of continuously monitoring your trademark to prevent infringement by others. Lastly, we'll cover the ongoing maintenance requirements, including filing declarations of use and renewal applications to keep your registration active.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.